We, Devjani and Shayok, are about to explore the place, art form and music of a small village called Kovar in Jharkhand through the eyes of the children there, who will then make a film on their own. Kovar, Jharkhand, 225 kilometers away from Kolkata. Jago Foundation is an NGO working in that area. Jharkhand has always had a rich tradition of folk dance and music, and some remarkable folk art forms. We crossed paddy fields, lakes, hills, green cover of forests and plantations sometimes, but generally the region looked and felt dry. Coal mining is a major occupation for the local people here. As we passed through villages, we noticed neatly made mud and brick houses, some of their walls painted in the traditional style. We finally reached our destination, Kovar, a small hamlet 15 kilometers from Giridih. Language is never a barrier for the children when they watch animation films, and this is how our first interaction started. And later we became good friends. Pencil, paper, draw what you like in your village. Could be anything. And soon we had lovely innocent visuals. Let's have some music. And that's how the day ended. Day 2. A brainstorming session with the kids resulted in a huge painting joining 20 chart papers together. This is my big ass drawing book. Mahinder Das, the cultural coordinator, me and the kids, harmonium, naal, mandar, dholak, guitar, a nice jam session to light up their eyes and mind. Touches of innocence and imagination. The painting takes shape. Colors start talking, just like the children had visualized. Their faces lit up in joy when they held up the finished painting, their hometown through their own eyes. Some interaction with the kids and local people, ideas started flowing in, and the film script took shape. We explored nearby villages, lovely wall paintings. Eureka! Now that's an idea, but which wall to choose? This one had less light and more shadows. We needed one with ample sunlight throughout the day. Ah, this is the one, yes, with just the right amount of sunlight through the day. Day 3, all ready to start painting. But wait, we need to test the paint first. And fresh mud to be applied on the wall to make it look clean. Children join in to paint the sun and the moon. The real sun was burning fiercely on us. Summers are frightful here in Jharkhand, and we didn't want the children to get tired because a lot of work was left to do. Day 4. The shooting day. Excited kids getting ready to rock. We asked them to hold their breath because shooting needs a lot of prior planning. Mr. Farmer gets ready for his act. Hold on, here I come. The first shot on the set. And from there, the story rolled. Children are open books. They learn surprisingly fast. And in no time, they understood the magic of movement. With a little guidance from us, they managed to pull off the first half. With an enhanced interest, they discussed the next section in the story where we would have a dance sequence. What is dance without music? Words and expressions started forming the story, giving it life. We got into an interactive session and zeroed in on 2 local folk songs. Mahinderji helped us to edit the lyrics to suit the story in the film. Day 5. Grand finale. The children concentrated on the wall painting, their dream village, something they wanted and needed to make a change for the better. It is their right and they shall have it. We decided this could be the last part of the film, a culmination of their expressions.
मेरा नाम मुकेश कुमार है, स्कूल का नाम है यूएमएस खंडिया, उम्र है 12।
मेरा नाम पिंकी कुमारी है, मैं 12 वर्ष की हूँ।
मेरा नाम अनुज कुमार मिश्रा है, उम्र 11 साल।
और मुझे पढ़ाई और पेंटिंग करना पसंद है।
मुझे क्रिकेट खेलना अच्छा लगता है और डांस करना भी अच्छा लगता है।
मूर्ति बनाने चाहता हूँ और पेंट कार।
पढ़ना और क्रिकेट खेलना।
मेरा नाम बेबी कुमारी है, उत्कर्मी मध्य विद्यालय धनीडी में पढ़ती हूँ 8th क्लास में। नेता बनना चाहती हूँ।
उम्र 11 साल। खेलना पसंद है कबड्डी।
क्रिकेट खेलना, पेंटिंग करना, बैट्समैन।
हमारा हॉबी डॉक्टर और डांस।
हम यही देखे हैं, हम जाने हैं कि मनुष्य बतियाने के लिए 3 चीज़ है, एक अभिनय, एक संगीत और एक भाषण। यह हम सबकी कहानी है। एक था किसान, उसके पास एक बड़ा सा जमीन था। हर साल उसके खेत में बहुत उपज होता था। फिर उसके 4 बच्चे हुए। कुछ साल बाद वह भगवान को प्यारे हो गए। जैसे जैसे बच्चे बड़े होते गए, जमीन बंटता गया। उनकी भी शादी हुई, 2-4 बच्चे भी हुए। अब ये बच्चे भी बड़े होते गए, जमीन बंटता गया। बच्चे तो बड़े होंगे ही, लेकिन जमीन तो न बच्चे देते हैं न बड़े होते हैं। पर समस्या, बच्चे भी देते हैं और बड़े भी होते हैं। समस्या ही समस्या।
खेती से घर परिवार का पेट नहीं भरता है, फसल बेचे भी तो कैसे?
पढ़ लिख के क्या करोगे? घर का काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा। छोटी उम्र में शादी हो जाए वो भी तो एक समस्या है। और पढ़े भी तो कैसे? बिजली ही नहीं रहती है।
अब खाने के लिए घर में अनाज नहीं है तो मजदूरा कैसे लगाएंगे? तो लगा दिया बच्चे को काम पे।
समस्या हो तो क्या परदेश भाग जाएं? या डट के उनका सामना करें और समाधान निकालें? तो चलो हम सब बच्चे स्कूल जाएं, पढ़ लिख कर हमारी नगरी का विकास करें।
अपना गांव छोड़ के खेत से नाता